Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix zoom in and out in Instagram. If you're experiencing issue with zooming in and out while using Instagram, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. First, you need to restart your Instagram app. First, open it and simply close the option. And now you can see it just refreshed. And simply closing the Instagram app and reopening it might resolve the issue. You could also try updating your Instagram app. Go to Play Store, look out for the Instagram app and tap on that option. And make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could address any zooming issues. Or you could simply uninstall your Instagram if the problem still persists and consider reinstalling again. And this can help to reset any settings or configurations that may be causing the issue. And by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any zooming issue you're experiencing while using Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.